What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. This is day 2 of the 4-day period of me uploading in a row. Today it is Tuesday, the second day of the trading week. It's a pretty much, I think, a slow news Tuesday. Yeah, nothing crazy. Slow impact again. Once again, I think this week is gonna be an easy week for news impact and stuff like that. But I do have a beanie on because my hair is all crazy. I need to go get a haircut. But besides that, I did mark up everything already on NQ. It is 5 minutes before market open, and let's just get right into the charts. All right, so market opened 30 minutes ago. It's 10:02 right now, but it's pretty much really slow. We're waiting for these highs to get tapped or these highs to get tapped because it looks like a sell day. So this liquidity got already tapped into pre-market, so we're not going to take anything off that. We are looking for sells because 4 hour and 1 hour are bearish, so we're waiting until something gets tapped into here. But most likely, if it's almost 10:30, so maybe after 10:30 it's going to be no trade. We still got time though. If you can see at the 1 minute, it's really choppy. But we haven't hit any sort of high time frame liquidity. We haven't hit anything. So we haven't had nothing, no moves, no nothing. You can see these 5 minute chops, 5 minute candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 30 minutes just been choppy since market open. Like I said last clip, it's 10:12 right now. We still have I think 17 minutes till our trading day should come to an end. I do have another possible entry on US 30, but we'll keep a lookout on that and we'll just see what happens. It's been a couple minutes and it's nothing. We've got 4 minutes till 10:30, so nothing, no trades for me today on NQ. But like I said, there is something on US 30 that I want to see happen. I want to see, hold on, let me get to the 1 hour. I want to see this gap get tapped into so I can head for shorts and target a quick 1 to 2. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna trade this until 11 a.m. If nothing happens by 11, I'm off and I'm done completely for the day. All right, so US 30 did end up retracing into this 4 hour gap. We are moving now though. We did place a trade. Yo, this phone keep going off, my bad. We did place a trade. We are in drawdown now. We have a 100 pip stop loss, and I'm gonna go for a 1 to 2. So 200 pip take profit, 100 pip stop loss. We are 1 to 2. But yeah, it is moving them to the 1 hour gap as well. So we're gonna see what happens. It's about patience. The market wasn't doing anything earlier, but now it's moving. So we're gonna see. All right, so we getting drawdown, but as long as this doesn't hit stop loss, we're good. We gotta calm down. You know, we are in drawdown. It's fine though. We're going for the 1 to 2, like I said earlier. It's about patience and it's about staying consistent. So let's just wait. Let's see what the market do. There's no point of stressing if we ain't hit stop loss yet. It's starting to retrace now, so we're gonna see what happens. We are so close. Hold on. We are so close from getting stopped out. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get stopped out here. But see, look, it keep playing with me. It's been doing this all the time that I haven't been recording. It's been doing this the whole time. As soon as I turn on the camera, it wants to retrace down. Come on. Ended up taking an L. That's okay though. We're gonna see if we could get up to this previous day high right here, and maybe even look for a potential short from there. All right, so US 30 trade, like I said, did end up hitting stop loss, but US 30 trade was an experiment. I did not really take this trade on a real account or a funded, so this was an experiment. I'm going to keep experimenting with US 30 as I trade my regular strategy on NASDAQ. So this was just an experiment. I'm not, you know what I'm saying, I'm just testing out different markets. Oh, this is NAS. I'm bugging. This is the right chart. This is US 30. But yeah, it was an experiment. It was coming up to opening gap and the previous day's low, and then we're gonna enter from there. But it's just an experiment, so I'm not really too upset with anything. So all right, so you see me trade. We took one trade at around like 10:40. It was a US 30 trade. I never trade US 30, but it was an experiment. Don't worry, I'm not changing my strategy. I'm not switching over to strategy. But it was just an experiment because I am trying to experiment with the high time frames. Because the low time frames, I'm still going to be trading that strategy, but the high time frames, I want to see just different opportunities in the market when I don't see an opportunity in my setup. Also, before I continue my day, some guy in my comments that the video that I just uploaded wanted to see how I go to my news. So all you got to do is go to the search bar, put Forex Factory here, and all you want to do is go to this little green button right here. And if you're trading indices, this is what I use. Or indices or futures, I go to USD and I put yellow folder no, gray folder no, and just orange and red folder, because that's the most, it's gonna have most impact. And then all these, select all types and just USD. If you're trading Forex, you can select which pair you're on here, and you know, you can put the impact folders there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so for today, yesterday I did say I was gonna do laundry. I ended up not doing it because of back testing and everything. But now I am gonna go do laundry after this clip. I already ate, I already did what I need to do. And now we're gonna go head to the laundry. And then after that, we might go get some food and then head straight to the gym. Honestly, it's the same shit, but a different day. I just want to take time right now to thank y'all for the support on the videos, the comments, the views, the subscribers. I've been growing at a fast pace, faster than I expected. But yeah, just thank y'all so much. You guys don't know how much that means to me to keep going and pushing out videos and pushing out content for you guys. So yeah, just thank y'all, and I appreciate it. Alright, as you guys can see, it is nighttime. I do got the clothes in here. You guys can barely see, it's so dark out here. But we hit up some stores. We got the laundry done, all nice and folded. And then after this, once we finish doing the laundry, we're gonna go cook and then head straight to the gym. On today's menu, we got rice, corn, onion, and cilantro mixed with lime. Some chipotle chicken, kind of burnt, but chipotle chicken, avocado, and a set of lime. Alright, so the mic is not so good because I didn't bring the mic with me, but it's a lax exercise on the bike. Just want to say, today was a hard working day today. Edited, we traded, we made content. I'm starting to feel really, really good doing this every single day. I wish I could do it every day, but I work, so I can't do it every day. My fault, I'm out of breath, tired, but I'm gonna pick up the vlog back where we're not home. Alright, so we're back now. We did finish up the gym. We did shower, did eat. We did do what we gotta do. It is 1:19 right now. I'm gonna start finishing in this video. Again, I just wanna thank y'all. Can't thank y'all enough. Thank you so much for the support, subscribers, and the views. And it's gonna be the end of the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace.